And 4, adding number 4 and 59. Let's see who will win the Men's Physique Natural Novice category. But first, we have to announce the second place. And that goes to athlete number 4, Michael Ernest Castillo from Santa Maria, Bulacan. And our Men's Physique Natural Novice champion for RFPB Nationals 2026 is athlete number 59, Dion Alemfre Cabanto from Cavite.